Hey everyone, today I am at JMC where I am under the flyover. It's the bypass area for all the patients and students to walk past the side. So if you can see, I'm walking through and you can see the amount of cows that are there in this whole passage. Plus there's also shit that is there all around the place. Like I'm literally finding space, where do I walk? So this is how it is. And it is such a mess and the whole place is stinking, and this is something that we need to look into. There has to be a solution to this. If you can see over here, these barricades have to be more in number so that where only people can pass by from the starting and towards the end. This is not a cow shed. You can just show the shit all around the place and the urine all around the place of the cows. And it is horrible. It is very, very horrible. Even someone who is not well also will fall sick. You can see the situation over here. So I think the solution is proper barricades, metal barricades and not plastic which the cows can break at the start and at the end. This is something that needs to be done because this place is a mess and there's no maintenance that's done. If you can see the poles over here. Here. The poles are damaged and kept. There is no repair work that is being done. No maintenance. So this is the sad situation that everyone is in. And we have been asking the government to have proper cow shelter so that the cows can be taken care of, where they are provided with food and they don't have to be anywhere here, which is also a hindrance for the public. So kindly requesting the government to look into this and provide something better for the animals as well as for the human beings who use this space on a regular basis. And there's vehicles going back and forth in speed. So there's danger for them also to meet with an accident. This is really a sad reality and I think so we can do better. Thank you.